PAS solutions to meet the diverse needs of our global clientele. Our partner factory, Luoyang Jiaoxin Furniture, is a distinguished enterprise specializing in the development, design, production, and sales of steel office furniture. Our products are acclaimed for their durability, functionality, and aesthetic design. We proudly serve customers worldwide, including the United States, Canada, Australia, India, and Qatar. Our commitment to ESG principles is reflected in our extensive export network, demonstrating our promise to deliver furniture solutions that meet international standards. In pursuit of operational excellence and customer satisfaction, we adhere to stringent quality management practices. Our partner factory, Luoyang Jiaoxin Furniture, have been awarded ISO 9001 International Quality Management System Certification, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System Certification, and OHSAS 18001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System Certification. These certifications highlight our commitment to sustainable practices, workplace safety, and continuous improvement. Driven by innovation, we consistently invest in R&D, incorporating cutting-edge designs and technologies to enhance our product range. Whether for corporate offices, residential spaces, or educational institutions, our product portfolio offers solutions that enhance efficiency and comfort. Luoyang Bairun Furniture invites you to explore our comprehensive range of steel office furniture. We look forward to collaborating with you in the near future.